Hey, we have a practice problem for finding the domain, and we're given a function. The function is g of x, and that's equal to the square root of x plus 15 and then minus 2. So remember, if we're given an equation and we're trying to find the domain, we need to ask ourselves two questions. One, is there a denominator, which there is not, and is there anything under a root, which there is. There's x plus 15 under the root. So that's what's important here. So if we have something under the root, we'll set up the domain to be that thing under the root, which is x plus 15, to be greater than or equal to 0. Now we do that so that we avoid imaginary numbers. So we'll solve this inequality of x plus 15 greater than or equal to 0 and get x is greater than or equal to negative 15, which is the domain. So that's one way to write it. Another way to write that would be bracket negative 15 to infinity parentheses, because these would be the numbers greater than or equal to negative 15. So if we plug those into G, we should get a real number back. All right, thank you.